How to log in Google Chat. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Now starting off, you need to install yourself Google Chat application. Open up your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar, search for Google Chat. Select on the application and hit on the install button and wait until your Google Chat is installed. Mind it will take a while depending upon your Wi-Fi connection speed. Select on the open bubble. Allow the permission it asks for. As you can see, you are already logged into your Google Chat. This is because Google Chat uses the Google account that is linked to your Play Store. If you want to switch between your Google account and your Google Chat, just tap on your profile icon in your right-hand corner. Select a different Google account to associate it with your Google Chat. Now with a simple tap, your Google Chat will have a brand new Google account. Isn't it simple? And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.